Pearl of Kazakhstan. The Creator made the world, and He gave high mountains, clear lakes, and green forests to all the countries. But for some reason, He forgot about the Kazakh people. He left them only with the huge steppe that stretched across the country. It was beautiful, but the people were sad. Where were their mountains and lakes and forests? Where were their rivers and fish and wild animals? Aldar Koseh was a cheeky man, but very kind. He didn't like to see the Kazakh people so miserable, so he decided to go and see the Creator himself. "Oh, wise Creator," called Aldar Koseh. "The Kazakh people are good. Why did you give them only the empty steppe? Can you please give us some mountains too?" So the Creator gave Kazakhstan the Karatau Mountains. Aldar Koseh watched carefully. He saw that the Creator took the mountains from a sack. "That's where the Creator keeps all the treasures," thought Aldar Koseh. Quietly, Aldar Koseh crept up to the sack and made a hole in it. The rest of the treasures fell out. Mountains, lakes, forests, rivers and fish and wild animals too. They landed in Kazakhstan, right in the middle of the empty steppe. The people were happy. Even today you can see all the treasures from the Creator's sack in one place, in Borovo National Park, the Pearl of Kazakhstan.